And this is the whole crew. Oh.
Can I have a picture with you?
No autographs today. I'm sorry. See, can't even show up to an event. It's getting swarmed right away. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous, gorgeous Sunday? It's pretty incredible out. It's one of the first really nice, relaxing, warm days. It's literally 60 degrees today, and it feels like 60, so it's just an overall well-rounded, nice day. And I'm cruising to the MotoMarket NYC, which is this pretty fun motorcycle event that's happening. But first in order of business is to get some gas. We're gonna do that first because we need it. Gonna go to the right here. But yeah, this motorcycle NYC, motorcycle market NYC, MotoMarket NYC is kind of like a swap meet kind of thing, where people can buy a table and, you know, sell their merch, sell their parts, old motorcycle parts first and foremost, and swap parts and whatnot. Meet and chill. There's also some legitimate big brands there as well, representing, which is kind of nice. And I'm gonna go check it out. It's in Red Hook, right? Is that what that area is called? Maybe not. I gotta go to the left here. I got confused. Here we go. And today I'm actually trying out something very different and new for me. Is some earplugs, some Eargasm earplugs. They are these high fidelity Eargasm earplugs, and these are 16 decibel reduction. And I never ride with earplugs. I usually prefer to ride without, just so I can hear the bike and I can hear the cars and all of that. But I would imagine, and right now I'm actually riding with those earplugs, and it's kind of weird because I'm so used to hearing my bike loud and clear, and right now it's like I still hear it, but it's muffled. So it's kind of a curious situation. And yeah, and it's kind of weird. Like I even with vlogging, because I'm so used to vlogging all the time, and it's hard for me to hear myself speak. Like I'm very muffled, but I guess I just have to trust the system that you guys can hear me, obviously. And these earplugs are, I'm gonna use them mostly for highways and long rides where there's a lot of wind noise, because, you know, around town it's not really necessary, but on the highway things can get crazy. I need to get to that gas station, these sons of bitches. Sons of bitches. It's all good. And look, isn't it trippy that I have the screen right here? A screen while I'm on the screen. It's like a screenception. Look. Funny. Alright, here we go. Get a little bit of gasoline. Then we're gonna chill the hell out on the highway, finally. Give me a pump, bro. Give me a pump. Right over here. This one is good. There we are. And I'm sure this is good for my hearing. You know, I'm not even sure. I know for a fact. So, let me pause this for a second, and then we get back to the vloggy. Here we go. We're back. Got a little gas. Now we can cruise. And look at that, nice drive number, 37,500 miles. What a miracle. And here we are. Not a big deal, not a big problem. About to get in the BQE, and hopefully it's wide open. I really do hope it's wide open. Look at these folks here. They're like, yo, we're from Connecticut, trying to get on the goddamn road. Go ahead. That's weird. Why are they fucking from Connecticut and they're in New York City and they're trying to regulate? What's up with that? That ain't cool, bro. Nice. Got a little super Voltard next to me. So earplugs, highway. This is kind of crazy. This is a little bit nuts. Weird experience because I don't hear the wind at all. I'm just chilling, trying to figure out if I actually like it, because not only do I love the sound of my bike, wind noise is a big part of it, but you know what, truth be told, these earplugs are obviously not for like jolts around town. These earplugs are more for when you're out of town and just cruising for hundreds of miles in a day. I wonder how I'm going to be able to hear other people's, because I have a Sena headset installed in my helmet. I wonder if I'm going to hear them with these on. And look at this shit. Madness. Is that Honda doing something or no? Good lord. But this is incredible, because I can still hear the grunt and the noise of my bike, but without the freaking without the crazy wind knocking me about. Madness. It's funny because I don't really wear earplugs, so I can't really compare these to say some other earplugs out there, but these are pretty damn good. Right, I'm gonna head just a little bit. Why is there this traffic? Terrible. I did not expect this traffic on a goddamn Sunday morning. Well, Sunday noon. Still unacceptable. Terrible. I don't like it. Here we go. A couple of moves later and we're back in the groove, back in traffic. Did not really improve at all, but I'm starting to kind of get the idea behind these headphones. I'm starting to get the idea behind these earplugs. It's kind of a nice thing, because even though right now, like, it's totally like everything is muffled, obviously, the basic function of earplugs, but I can still hear the bike. It's kind of nice. I need to try this on a real highway at real speed. That's a real test, when I'm going like 80, you know, and in an open field kind of thing. Then I'll be able to tell if these are actually, how these actually are functioning. Because right now, things would not be all that loud to begin with. But I just want to mention, oh man, that's a beautiful day right now. What a gorgeous day. It's perfectly warm. Cannot complain at all. Like, I feel so good right now on the bike, on two wheels. Like, I'm sure you guys know, and gals know what I'm talking about. That feeling of balance, that like, just basic feeling of that. And right now I feel like I could, I want to close my eyes and like freaking zone out, but obviously that's not how it works, especially not on these fucking roads with all the bumps. I could pass everybody right now, because these people are kind of driving like little B words. Beaches. That's pretty dope though. The fact that you could see my phone on my camera. That's kind of crazy. Look at these people. They're making moves. People are making moves while I'm just chilling. I'm cruising like Miss Daisy. No moves here, bro. No moves. The lack of moves. I'm the opposite of moves right now. But oh, now you're going to make moves, you son of a potato. Son of a fucking cupcake. Son of a cupcake. Kids sitting in traffic for no goddamn reason. Look at all that space and gaps. That car from New Jersey is fucking everybody. It's all good. It's all good. Yo, that guy didn't even wave. But we're in New York City. People don't really wave in New York City. It is too early. It's pretty funny in the summertime when you're riding out of town. You know, it's gonna be like waving to people left and right all the time. But haven't waved in a couple of months. In the winter time, like everybody's focused on controls and staying warm, so nobody's waving to anybody. But goddamn, the bike feels good. Good power. It's been running well, knock on wood. I'm gonna pass everybody and get on there. Hopefully I can make a move or two. Probably not. No moves allowed. Not on their watch. These cars are anti-fun. Where is everybody going? Fucking IKEA? Coney Island? Madness. Go home, everybody. Shouldn't you be at home watching TV? And this guy here, he's like, yo, I'm gonna change lanes, but it's gonna take me a second and a quarter. A sweet Lexus, the bubble. Thing sounds like a beast, bro. Listen to that fucking thing. Bam bam. The drift machine. I'm wearing my regular summer gloves today. The Revits. They're nice. They're nice. But unfortunately I was not able to test the fucking headset. I was not able to test the fucking, I keep repeating myself today for some reason. Not able to test the earplugs. Because this right here is like, even though yes, it's much better, it's much quieter, this is not really the ideal test or the place where I would really want to see how they function. Is that Lexus really trying to get back to the right lane now? Freaking tool. Guy's driving like an animal. Now he's behind me. Fantastic. But I'm almost there. This is the exit. The way back is going to be a bit of a bitch, a little splitty situation, but it's okay. It's all right. Just a beautiful day. And I might take you guys inside the MotoMarket. I might not. I'm not sure yet. Gotta feel out the scene first, you know? Figure out if I'm cool enough to walk around in the damn helmet. Yeah. Who knows? Who freaking knows? I was gonna bring some Ducati NYC mugs and shirts to sell at this MotoMarket, but I didn't. It's okay. But I'll mention it here. You can go down to the link in the description, Ducati.nyc.com. That's where you get some coffee mugs and some t-shirts and hoodies and shit. Vloggy merch. And there's a Patreon and all that nonsense. Here we are, taking a little right exit. Our friend in a Lexus is going straight. Good. I did not think it was going to be like this. I expected it to be like a brappy situation. You know, like a brappy McGraxton kind of thing. Instead, it wasn't brappy. It was kind of like just regular trafficy crap. Industry City. So yeah, this is not Red Hook. It'd be ignorant of me to call this Red Hook. This is like Industry City, apparently. There's some motorcycles over there, but I'm gonna try to park next to where everybody's parked. I'm not even sure if there is a place where everybody's parked, but if there is, I want to find it. I want to find it and I want to park there. Brooklyn. Right next to me is Costco. The ever so beautiful Costco. Look at that van from Connecticut. They're scared. And then this fucking guy. What are you doing, boy? I'm gonna park up front right over there. Nice. Oh, we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. Yes, now we are here. And this is the whole crew. Oh.
Can I have a picture with you?
No autographs today. I'm sorry.
Shit.
Maybe if you buy some merch, you know.
Oh, you're great.
Oh yeah. See, can't even show up to an event. It's getting swarmed right away. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Look at all these fellas here. Let's check this place out. Take this telephone with me.